We are washing our hands quite a lot these days. But are you pronouncing the word washing correctly? So today's video is based on the difference between the pronunciation of W and V. When we listen to the sound of W and V, we listen W, which sounds similar to us, so we can't make out the difference. But I'll tell you what is the difference. When we pronounce W, both of our lips are used, like wa. The sound is like wa. And when we pronounce V, then our lower lip should be cut by the upper teeth. V, V, V. Okay? W is wa and V. So let's see some examples. Wet, wet. West, west. While, while. Wine, wine. Worst, worst. Wow, wow. Hope you found my video beneficial. So please subscribe, share and like. And don't forget to mention in the comment box below that which topics should I cover in my upcoming videos. So take care, stay safe, stay home and keep washing your hands.